DART, Planetary Defense Test. Source, NASA, BBC. By visualgk.com. Kinetic Impactor Technique. What should we do if we find a dangerous asteroid on course to hit Earth? There are a number of possible deflection techniques, ranging from extreme, a nuclear blast, to benign, a heavy spacecraft uses gravity to nudge the asteroid off course. Somewhere in between is the kinetic impactor technique. The concept is simple. Slam one or more spacecraft into the asteroid at high speed, to change its orbit, and move Earth out of the crosshairs. Mission type: Planetary Defense Mission. Launch date: the 24th of November 2021. Impact date: the 26th of September 2022. DART Impactor. Developed and led for NASA, by the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, is the world's first full-scale planetary defense test, demonstrating kinetic impactor technique of asteroid deflection. DART is a low-cost spacecraft. The main structure of the spacecraft is a box, with dimensions of roughly 1.2 times 1.3 times 1.3 meters. The spacecraft has two very large solar arrays, that when fully deployed, are each 8.5 meters long. How will the mission work? After launch, the spacecraft will make nearly one full orbit around the Sun, before it crosses paths with Didymos, a football field-size asteroid, that closely orbits a bigger asteroid, called Didymos, every 11 hours and 55 minutes. Astronomers call those two asteroids a binary system, where one is a mini-moon to the other. Together, the two asteroids make one full orbit around the Sun every 2 years. Didymos poses no threat to Earth, and the mission is essentially target practice. When the binary asteroids are at their closest point to Earth. 4 hours before impact, the DART spacecraft will autonomously steer itself straight toward Didymos, for a head-on collision, at 15,000 miles per hour. An on-board camera will capture and send back photos to Earth in real time, until 20 seconds before impact. A tiny satellite from the Italian Space Agency, deployed 10 days before the impact, will come as close as 34 miles from the asteroid, to snap images every 6 seconds, in the moments before and after DART's impact. DRACO. The DART payload consists of a single instrument, the Didymos Reconnaissance and Asteroid Camera, for optical navigation, DRACO. DRACO is a high-resolution imager, to support navigation and targeting, to measure the size and shape of the asteroid target, and to determine the impact site and geologic context. The images acquired by DRACO before the kinetic impact, will be streamed back to Earth, in real time. LiSACube. DART will also carry a CubeSat, named Light Italian CubeSat for imaging of asteroids, LiSACube. The DART spacecraft will deploy LiSACube, roughly 10 days prior to the DART impact on Didymos. LiSACube will capture images of the DART impact, the resulting ejector cloud, and potentially a glimpse of the impact crater, on the surface of Didymos. Spacecraft will crash into asteroid's moon. How DART compares. DART, 19 meters. Statue of Liberty, 93 meters. Didymos, 163 meters. Eiffel Tower, 321 meters. Didymos, 780 meters. Why can't Earth just blow up asteroids? Simply striking hazardous space rocks with a nuclear weapon, like in Armageddon and other science fiction disaster films, could create a field of more hazardous space rocks, multiplying the dangers posed to Earth, rather than eliminating them. Still, a nuclear device, if used the right way, is one of a few conceptual tools within NASA's planetary defense toolbox. Are any asteroids headed toward US right now? NASA maintains a database of near-Earth objects that come within about 28 million miles from Earth. About 27,000 such objects have been tracked by NASA so far, which is just 40% of the total amount the agency is tasked with finding. NASA also maintains the Sentry risk table, which is a separate list of asteroids that have a higher chance of impacting Earth. One celebrity on that list is Bennu, a gravelly, acorn-shaped asteroid, about the size of a skyscraper. It has a 0.057% chance of impacting Earth, sometime between the years 2178 and 2290. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com